Hi, in this lesson we're going to be approximating points of intersection graphically. On example A, we have two lines, and we're trying to figure out if these two lines intersect, and if so, where. And we're going to use our calculator to help us. So be sure to have your graphing calculator ready when we start. All right, the first problem is x minus 3y equals -2 and 5x minus 2y equals 11. Both of these are lines. Where do they intersect, if any place? So first of all, we've got to get it into y equals in order to put it into our calculator. So let's look at the first one, x minus 3y equals -2. We're going to get y by itself, so let's subtract x. And then we're going to divide everything by -3. So we get y equals, if you take -1 divided by -3, you get a positive 1/3. So 1/3 x. -2 divided by -3 is a positive 2/3. So this is the first equation we're going to type into our calculator. On the second one, we have 5x minus 2y equals 11. Again, we have to get y by itself. So we're going to subtract 5x. And then we're going to divide everything by -2. So we get y equals positive 5/2 x minus 11/2. So these are our two equations that we're going to type into our calculator. We're going to find the point of intersection. I know that we're going to have a solution because notice the slope on both of these lines are different. When you have different slopes, those two lines are going in different directions. They have to intersect somewhere. So let's get our calculator. Let's go to y equals. We're going to type in 1/3 x plus 2/3. That's our first line. Okay, the second line is 5/2 x plus, minus 11/2. Okay, graph that one. Notice the two lines do intersect, so let's press graph. Okay, they intersect in exactly one place, so this is what we're going to do. Listen carefully. We're going to press second, calculate, which is the trace button, and then number 5 for intersect. Notice that it says first curve. My cursor is on the first graph. You can move your cursor close to that point of intersection if you like. Notice I'm just getting it close. Then I'm going to press enter. Now all of a sudden my cursor has jumped to the second equation. It's still pretty close to the intersection point, so I press enter. And then I don't want to guess, I press enter one more time. So the point of intersection is at approximately 2.846 as my x. My y value is approximately 1.615. That's how easy it is to do. Let's practice one more. Okay, let's look back at our paper again. We have x cubed minus y equals 3 and 2x plus y equals 5. Again, I'm going to take that first one, x cubed minus y equals 3, and I'm going to solve it for y. I'm going to subtract x to the third and then divide everything by -1. So we get y equals x to the third minus 3. That'll be the first equation I type in. On the second one, we have 2x plus y equals 5. We're going to subtract 2x. So y equals -2x plus 5. That will be my second equation. Notice I have a cubic function and then I have a linear function. All right, so let's see if they intersect anywhere. Let's go back to our calculator. We're going to go to y equals. I'm going to clear out those two equations. Don't need those anymore. All right, so the first one we said was x to the third minus 3. And then the next one was -2x plus 5. We're going to graph both of those. Notice here's our cubic function, and then here's our line with the negative slope. They're only intersecting in one place. So again, I'm going to press second, calculate, which is where the trace button is, number 5. Again, I want my cursor close to the point where they intersect, so I'm going to move a little bit closer. Press enter, enter, enter. So they intersect at a point approximately, what, 1.670. The y value is 1.6. Oh, look at this one, 595. That 5 that comes after the 9 is going to round this one up if I keep 3 decimal places. So it'll be 1.660. All right, so that's what we do. Those are our solutions right there. All right, see you later. Bye.